process. And again, I've heard overwhelmingly from people in neighborhoods who, again, have worked so hard and so long to come up with specific plans and community plans. Again, neighborhood councils are now becoming very educated in planning 101, and this just seems to be putting something into place which short circuits the public's ability, the neighbors' ability to really be involved in a hearing, give their input, look the developer in the eye, and complain about. I'm particularly concerned about the on-menu open space, height, again, and for only 20% affordable housing in this density bonus, we're giving up a lot of, I think we're giving away a lot. I particularly don't like the open space. I think to say that open space can be mitigated by landscaping on the project is just something that goes against everything I think we've been trying to do and preserve in the city of Los Angeles. So maybe you can explain to me why open space is on menu. And and I get this, that developers come in here and ask for this stuff all the time. I get that. But why are we making it that much easier on certain areas that we know will really frustrate neighborhoods and frustrate community members who've worked hard to preserve some of these things? Why can't open space, for instance, be off menu? So that at least it triggers a public hearing. I'm concerned that for all these items, they don't trigger a public hearing anymore, and that yes, I know they have the right to do this. Yes, I know that this is something they've asked for and we've given to them. But again, it's always been with the inclusion of the neighborhood and particularly the property owners around a particular project.